Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to all the students of Green Valley Schools. This is Khader Khan here. I'm here to discuss a very important topic called as microorganisms. Usually when microorganisms comes to our mind, we think about bacteria and viruses. But still, we have many more microorganisms which we have to discuss. So just if we see what are microorganisms, they are the organisms which are very small, which cannot be seen through our naked eyes. We need a microscope or an electron microscope to see them. They might be harmful as well as useful. Usually microorganisms are of 5 types: bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae and protozoans. All the 5 are very important for us. All the 5, they maintain the microflora in the atmosphere as well as in the soil. So let me discuss very few important points of each. Bacteria. If you take bacteria, how many cells in our body they are present? Might be millions of cells, even millions of bacteria are also present. In a single teeth itself, if you take, there are more than 500 different kinds of bacteria present in our teeth. Usually doctor says brush twice a day. Why? Because in the different types of bacteria what are present in our mouth, few might be useful, few might be harmful. Whatever we are eating, they are feeding on that and they are emitting or leaving some waste products in form of chemicals which will infect your teeth. That is very harmful. And if we see a useful microflora present in a body, nothing but lactobacillus. It is present in our guts. It helps for digestion of food. It helps for digestion of various vitamins. It will kill unwanted microorganisms which enter in the digestive system. These are the few microflora of bacteria which are very useful. And usually we call these kind of bacteria as probiotics. Now, secondly, coming to viruses. Viruses are a very important group of microorganisms. They are very smaller than bacteria. They might be 10,000 times smaller than the bacteria. They need to be seen in electron microscopes. Now the viruses become famous worldwide because of coronavirus. They carry a genome, DNA or RNA. They are neither prokaryotes, neither eukaryotes. Means to say, they are neither living or non-living. Why? Because viruses replicate inside the host or inside the body. They multiply, they divide, they activate inside the host or inside the body. Whereas outside the body or host, they are non-living organisms. Especially, we have a very dangerous disease called as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, caused by virus, cancers caused by virus. Now COVID-19, that is SARS-CoV-2, coronavirus. These are few examples. Then we have fungus. The first antibiotic produced in fungus in the whole world is penicillin by Alexander Fleming. There are many yeast and molds, mushrooms. They might be useful as well as harmful. Then we have algae. Usually what happens, you can see our water tanks in our homes. Everybody have water tanks in our homes. If you just open the lid of water tank and just take your hand and slide on the cork of the water tank or inside the water tank, you might feel a slimy layer. Slimy thing you can feel in your fingers. These are nothing but algae. They are very harmful. Please, I request my students to help your parents and wash water tanks regularly, at least 15 days or once, so that we can be healthy and our immune system will be also healthy. Then we have finally protozoans. Protozoans are parasites which also depends on host. It will definitely cause only harm for us. But all these microorganisms, we are using different tools in biotechnology how to make them useful. In my next video, you are going to see what is bacteria, what are the different kinds of bacteria, shapes of bacteria, and what are the important positive side of bacteria and what are the harmful effects of bacteria. Likewise, we'll also see about different types of viruses. What happens? How does a virus get injected in a body? What happens when it multiplies? All the things you'll definitely see in my next video. Thank you very much.